Yummy! Oh yeah, this is so good! Wait, it's all gone already? Dang, I'm still hungry. But I got an idea. Oh my, what's going on? Hey everyone! Welcome to the cooking challenge! Well then, let's see who's the best! I got it! Your first task is to make a cake. Oh, Grandma knows exactly what to do. What kind of cake should I make?
I know. First, let's take some flour and let's add a couple of eggs. Done! Now let's pour in the milk. Perfect! Time to mix it all up! Oh yeah!
Oh my! Hey!
It's done. And now, time to turn up the heat. Your time has come, dough!
Careful!
Wait, what the heck? Oh man!
Finally found my recipe book. Let's get started. Great. Now let's roll out the dough. There we go. Time to put it in the pan. I think I'll make a strawberry cake. With strawberry jam to be exact. Now let's add these little strips to make a lattice pattern on top. That's it! Grandma's cake is ready! Time to show them how it's done. First, let's add some frosting to the cake layer. And spread it out real good. Now let's add another layer. I'm making a multi-layer cake. It'll taste way better. Now it's time to trim it down a bit. Let's carefully slice a bit off the top. And cover the whole thing in frosting because you can never have enough. Sweet. Now for the best part. Let's put my picture right here and cover it with the mold. Now let's pour the glaze over the top, just like that. And finish it off with some edible glitter. There we go. Easy peasy.
They're already finished? And my cake turned into charcoal! Wait, I know how to fix this. Hello? I need a cake, fast! Your order, sir. Thanks.
Alright, I hope everyone's finished! Great! These cakes look so good! Nice! I think I'll start with this one. Mmm, so tasty! Wait, is this a price tag? No cheating allowed! Alright, moving on. You really know how to make treats. Wait, what's this? Pull this part up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Wow! No way! I know. Thanks! Let's have a taste. Mmm, so delicious! Okay, who to pick? Rumi wins! Yay! I knew I'm the best! Okay, your next task is chocolate. Cool. Good thing I brought a few bars with me.
Oh, yum!
Wow! Take some! Thank you!
Come to me, you beauties!
Enjoy, but don't forget about healthy food too. Let's take an apple and dip it in chocolate. It needs to be totally covered, like this. To make it extra yummy, let's add marshmallows to this one. And cover this one in M&M so it's pretty and tasty. Let's cover the third one with sprinkles so there's an apple for everyone's taste. Perfect! Whoa, not bad. But what should I make? I think I got it. First, let's pour some white chocolate into a bowl. Great. Now let's take some blueberries and toss them into the chocolate. Let's give them a good mix. And move them to a clean surface. The trick is to make these little separate clusters. There we go. Now let's chill things out. Done. Time to work on the presentation. Light treats are gonna look fire in a dark plate. Wow!
Uh-oh! I forgot the challenge and ate almost all the chocolate! Huh, I have an idea. First, let's take a piece of chocolate and melt it down. Now we add a drop of food coloring and mix. Let's pour it into a lipstick tube and it's done! Phew!
Time's up! Let's see what you made. Whoa, so much stuff! Let's try it. Blueberries! Super good! I knew it! Alright, moving on. I hope she likes it. I love these apples! Wait, is this a lipstick? What a weird smell. Wait, it's chocolate! So yummy.
Thanks!
It's so hard to choose. You win!
Seriously? Oh, nice!
Now, make some pancakes.
Oh, I know. Hey there, little hen. You're so pretty. Just sit right here. Need to fill the pancake bottle. Let's add the flour first. Then the milk. Great. Wait. Where did the chicken go?
I gotta make the best pancakes. Ah! Help! Get it off me!
Oh my! Leave him alone! Bad chicken! Sorry about that.
What the heck?
Oh, I think this belongs to me. Thanks. Let's add the egg to the bottle and give it a good shake. Whew. There. I think that's enough. Something's missing.
I think it's time to snag some free batter. Oh yeah, score!
There you are. Let's add some coloring. Gotta mix it really well. Like that. We need a solid color. Now let's start baking these strips. I'll make them in different colors. There we go. Looks like they're done. Now let's take one strip and start folding it like this. Let's keep adding strips until we have a ball of yummy yarn. Now let's put our yarn balls on the plate. And let's add a couple of plastic knitting needles. Now that is a real dish concept!
Sweet! Time to start my pancakes. First, let's make a bunch of little dots. Great! Time to start flipping them. Carefully. Just like that. Looks done. Now let's move them into a bowl. That's it! Just one thing left to add. A glass of milk is a perfect vibe for these mini pancakes.
I'll show them how it's really done. To start, let's make 2 batches of batter in different colors. Now mix them up well. Let's start with an orange pancake. Let it cook through. And flip. Now let's put it on the plate. And cover it with cream. Let's add a purple pancake and more cream on top. Repeat the process until we have a total tower. Now decorate it with more frosting. And add candy on top. It makes every dessert better. That's it! Perfect!
We're ready!
Alright, let's see. Wow! I think I'll start on this side. I'm gonna eat this like breakfast cereal. Love it! Great job! Now let me try this. Wow! I love it! Thanks! Now the last one.
So cute! Awesome! Glad to hear that. Such a hard choice. Grandma wins! Oh, I can't believe it! I'm thirsty. Make me a cocktail.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Take this, sweetie. Enjoy.
Thanks. So cool. Yummy.
Alright, time to get to work. Let's take some frosting. And apply it to the sides of the glass at different angles. Like that.
Nice! Now it's time for the soda pop. Let's pour it into the glass. And add whipped cream on top. Oh yeah! Now let's stick in a few sweets and pour some syrup over it. Add a straw and it's done!
Help!
Oh, we need to do something! I got this!
It's okay. Thanks.
Good job!
Man, did I really eat the whole thing? At least I have an idea now. Let's pour milk into the Nutella jar and close the lid. Now give it a really good shake. Oh yeah. I think that's enough. Let's add whipped cream. Put in a straw and add some sprinkles.
I think I'll use these chocolate balls. Now let's heat up this milk. There, all finished.
Wow! I see you guys made some cool cocktails. I can't wait to try them! So yummy! Next one! What a pretty glass! Tastes great too! Alright, now for the last one. Whoa, these balls are melting right before my eyes! I'll mix it all by hand just in case. So who should I choose? You all win! Congratulations!